Today I don't feel like doing anything.
Too bad, because today I'm going to teach you about percents, fractions, and decimals. Let's talk about the conversion process between the three because, let's be honest, we use this when we go shopping. And we're not going to go that far today, but shopping is highly important and we need to make sure that we understand how to figure out our discounts or how much money we're saving, and that's what this does. It also helps us when we're given a fraction as a score on a test and we want to know what percentage that is. So let's get to it. Firstly, to convert a fraction to a decimal, we need to divide. We take our numerator, we divide it by a denominator. So take your calculator, do 2 divided by 5, and you find that we get 0.4. So we've just converted a fraction to a decimal. All right, now we need to change a decimal to a percent. Now recognize that this symbol right here means percent. It can be written a couple different ways, but ultimately that means percent. Okay, the best you can get without extra credit on a test is 100%. So when we're using percent for conversions, we're using 100%. That's the greatest percent opportunity without extra credit. So we take our decimal, we multiply it by 100. Go ahead and do it in your calculator, and you'll find that you get 40%. So 0.4 is not 4%, it's 40% because you're multiplying it by 100, not 10. So 0.4 turned into a percent, you multiply by 100, you get 40%. Okay, now let's look again. I want to turn a fraction into a percent. We're reviewing. I'm going to take 5, divide by 8, and I get 0.625. I then need to take my decimal and multiply by the best percentage I can get without extra credit, which is 100%. And I get 62.5%. All right, you just figured out how to convert a score on any assignment to a percentage. Congratulations. Moving on. What if I want to convert a percent to a fraction? The best percent opportunity I can get is 100. So I need to turn my percent into a fraction. My best percent is out of 100. So I have 15 out of 100. Now I can reduce this. Don't forget your divisibility rules. It ends in 5 and 0, so I can divide both by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 5 goes into 10 2 times. 5 goes into 0 0 times. So we get 3/20. We cannot reduce that any further. All right, that looks like the end. So go ahead and play, pause, and replay as much as you need. And don't forget, a decimal, turn it into a percent, and then you can turn it into a fraction. Good luck.